Good morning, students. Today we learn about the island of India. Before we discuss about this topic, we have to know what is island. Let's discuss about island. Island is a piece of land surrounded from all sides by water. Island may be occur in ocean, sea, or in lake. A group of island in together is known as archipelago. Then we discuss about the type of island. There are two types of island. They are the continental island and the oceanic island. First we know about continental island. The unsubmerged part of the continental shelf that are entirely surrounded by water is called as continental island. It lies close to the larger landmass of the continent. Then the oceanic island. Oceanic islands are further divided into two types. They are the volcanic island and the coral island. The volcanic islands are formed by eruption of volcanoes on the ocean floor. Some smaller islands are volcanic in origin. They are called as barren island. The coral island built of organic material derived from the skeleton of the coral and numerous other animal and plant associated with corals. Corals means coral is a hard skeleton left behind by marine polyps. Now we discuss about island of India. There are two groups of islands in India. They are the Andaman and Nicobar, which is lies in Bay of Bengal, and the Lakshadweep, which is lies in Arabian Sea. First, we discuss about the Andaman and Nicobar Island. The Andaman Nicobar Island, which is situated in Bay of Bengal, it consists of about 572 islands. Out of 572 islands, 38 islands are permanently inhabited. The Andaman Island in north, in which there are 550 islands, and the Nicobar Island in south, in which there are 22 islands. The Andaman Island and the Nicobar Island separated by 10-degree channel. The capital of Andaman Nicobar Island is Port Blair, which is located in South Andaman. There is a jail in Port Blair named Cellular Jail. The airport of Andaman and Nicobar Island is Veer Savarkar Airport. The South Andaman and Little Andaman separated by Duncan Passage. Indira Point, located in Great Nicobar, which is the southernmost point of India. Narcondam Island, India's easternmost island. It is a volcanic island located in northern Andaman. Then we know about some important mountain peak of Andaman and Nicobar Island. The first one is the Saddle Peak, which is located in North Andaman, and its height is 738 meters. Then the Mount Diavolo, which is located in Middle Andaman, and its height is 515 meters. Then the Mount Koyop, which is located in South Andaman, and its height is 460 meters. And the Mount Thwiller, which is located in Great Nicobar, and its height is 642 meters. Then we know about some popular island of Andaman and Nicobar. The Ross Island, which new name is Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Island. The Neil Island, its new name is Shahid Island. And the Havelock Island, which new name is Swaraj Island. Then we discuss about the Lakshadweep Island. The Lakshadweep Island situated in Arabian Sea. The entire island group is built up coral deposit. In Lakshadweep, approximately 36 islands are there. Out of 36 islands, 11 are inhabited. The largest island of Lakshadweep is Minicoy Island. The capital of Lakshadweep is Kavaratti. The airport of Lakshadweep Island is in Agatti. The PT Island, which is a uninhabited island, it has a bird sanctuary. The 8-degree channel separates the Maldives and Minicoy Island, and the 9-degree channel separates the Lakshadweep and Minicoy Island. In next video, we solve some multiple choice question from Island of India. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.